Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2013 Chevy Equinox and I will show you which fuses and relays to check in case your Chevy Equinox is overheating and if the cooling radiator fans are not working. This video will apply to Chevy Equinoxes made from 2010 all the way up to 2017. Now all the fuses and relays will be located in a main fuse box, which is under the front hood, very easy accessible. It's right here. Now to remove the cover, you will have two black tabs, one on this side, one on the opposite side. So you want to press them and lift up. On the back side of the cover you will have a small fuse diagram, and right here there is a fuse puller which you can use to remove and check any of the fuses. Now the first thing you want to check are the fuses number 1 and 2. Fuse number 1 is a 30 amp fuse responsible for power tool cooling fan number 1, and fuse number 2, it's a 40 amp fuse responsible for power tool cooling fan number 2. Okay, once you check the fuses, you'll have two relays to check as well. Relay number 58, which is relay responsible for cooling fan low speed, and relay number 69, which is responsible for cooling fans high speed. So you have these two relays and these two fuses. Hopefully one of these will be burnt out, and just by replacing it that will fix your problem. If not, you'll have to dig a bit deeper and look at the cooling fans themselves and the possible wiring issue. Okay, thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.